Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a bank's transfer with Intesa Sanpaolo. So the first step that you have to do is you have to open the application and you have to log in using your PIN or fingerprint or even your Face ID or any other security method that you have set up. Step number 2 is from the home screen or menu, you just have to find and tap on the payments or transfers. So it's usually this one in the middle, and after that you just have to select new transfer. So from there you just have to type in the IBAN of the person or the account that you're sending money to. You also have to enter how much money that you want to send, like the amount, and you can also write a short note or description for the transfer if it's required, but most of the time this is just optional, so you can skip on this one. Now, if you want the funds to arrive right away and your bank supports it, you might see an option like Bonifico Urgente, something like that. So that's like an instant transfer. So activating this may incur a fee, but it's just around 1.50 euro depending on your account. And after that, you just have to double check all the details, the amount, the IBAN, and the beneficiary name. And you just have to confirm the transfer with your authentication method. So it can be the OTP via SMS or any push notifications, fingerprint, Face ID, or PIN. Now, once you confirm, the transfer is sent, and you will usually see a confirmation screen or receive a notification once transfer is complete. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!